Welcome to today's Trick-or-YEET video. Today we're going to teach you how to make a creeper jack-o'-lantern in 3 different ways. So, yes, in the tutorial, creative, and survival mode. Let's get into the video.
So first, let's cut the top off so we can carve it like most jack-o'-lanterns. Now we need to pull the tops off. And take out the dangling seeds. Those could go for a good snack. Was roasted. There's our seed bowl. Here we get. And here's me going to work. It was hard work wearing that. There's just some seeds that I'm struggling to get off. Yummy seeds, those could do for a great snack. And that will be for fertilizer. Nice and clean and empty, perfect for carving. Tutorial mode is first. The easiest jack-o'-lantern is a simple creeper face. Start with 2 squares to be eyes. Connect them with a line and make a thin rectangle. Extend the rectangle's bottom lines out as half as wide as the eyes. Then draw straight lines down. Make the short angry frowns. Then connect them. Cut out the shapes. Your edges. Narrow the holes from the inside to help more light get through. You can use nail polish remover to make your marker lines fade, and the dark people won't see it. Clean out the inside of the pumpkin. I did that. Creative mode. This jack-o'-lantern is a little more difficult. Start drawing a a small creeper face and a box for the head. Leave the bottom open so you can draw its long body. At the bottom of the body, draw the square feet and close it up. Draw a big circle around your creeper. Face the corners of your feet and the top of the head. Its parts will stay connected to the pumpkin. Always carve the smallest parts first. Start with the face. The part above the head. And between the legs. Cut out your creeper first. Clean up your edges, cut away on the inside for more light. Survival mode. This is not doable for children. It uses a lot of blades. Draw a square with an outline for the head. Outline the body lines going down. Then draw a circle that connects to the corners. Draw a creeper face inside the square. Cut out your creeper figure and get ready for the tricky part. We need to shave off the pumpkin skin to make it yellow, not orange. This will let more light go through. Most fancy jack-o'-lanterns use fancy tools, but we're using common tools that everyone can have. You score the skin by slightly slicing it. Then you gently slide a blade under the skin and wiggle it loose, and you can peel it off. We sped up this long part, but do it slowly. And be careful, this one's very fragile. Leave the scale on the outline of the head and on the face. Gouge up the L part and make it uneven. This will give it creeper texture while your candle is in it. Once your face is done, do the same thing to the body. There are 3 buckets, easy, medium, and hard. That one was really difficult to make on our end. You gotta respect our work. Now, let's see these bad boys in action. There they are, lit up in the nighttime dark. Make sure to like and subscribe.